So these are the tools that you're going to need to make your this type of bead. It's hard to get it along the edge, so I'm trying to make my how I'm making the legs. This has been a very challenging video to make with getting up close and getting everything into the frame. So I'm sorry I lost. So now after twisting all of our legs, we're going to go ahead Novocan liquid flux to use on the legs when soldering. I also use 60/40 solder. Again, it's really just a preference of however you want your. And please don't forget to go on over to my website, reneestainglassworks.com, to check out some